a time of renewal when we traditionally re-examine our commitment to stewardship of the earth. The April issue of Products Finishing brings you several stories from the finishing industry centered around sustainability and forwarding environmental concerns. First up, we'll take a look at an environmentally friendly powder coating made from recycled plastic. Sherwin-Williams' Powdura Eco line of powder uses recycled PET resin to make a traditionally green process even greener. We'll also get an overview of compliance and sustainability considerations for effective wastewater treatment for finishing operations. In addition to these features, our April edition unveils this year's recipients of Products Finishing's 40 Under 40 Awards, a program dedicated to recognizing emerging leaders in the finishing industry. This year's finalists include engineers, chemists, lab managers, plant managers, operations managers, general managers, sales professionals, and entrepreneurs, each helping blaze new trails for a new generation of surface finishing leaders. You'll also find our parts cleaning section offering you up-to-date information on the latest in critical cleaning. Helpful Ask the Expert clinics covering a range of best practice and troubleshooting topics, as well as the latest industry news and innovations. Visit pfonline.com and click on the latest issue tab to download or subscribe. Thanks a lot.